Before the Lord I give my vow to love as He has shown me how, not as a God, but as His child. I walk His truth by mercy styled. I love you best by loving Him, by walking light when days are dim. My strength is found in God alone. From Him my faithfulness is grown. Before the Lord I give my heart to walk His truth in every part. I place my trust where it belongs, in God who rights all human wrongs. I love you most when God I fear, when His word shapes my thoughts sincere. My hope is not in flesh or sight, but in